Alright, we've got the new Vintage Collection Slave 1 from Hasbro, and we are going to unbox it. Alina's here to help me, so here we go. It doesn't want to come out. Here we go. Grab that end. Now, I can't sit here and compare it to the last one because I never opened the last one. But it looks really cool. Here we go. There's the body. Alright, let's see.
That's so cool.
Alright, let's look at the instructions here.
Is there anything else you need to grab real quick?
Yeah, go ahead and grab that.
So this is like the other parts that we need to put on?
That is the stand.
Oh, okay.
Got some stickers, which may or may not apply.
Are we gonna
Some warnings.
stickers?
Alright. It seems pretty simple.
Okay. Should I start carefully trying to make the base?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, carefully get this on too, and that is not happening.
Huh?
There we go.
Oh. Even though I'm being pretty careful, I don't want to risk accidentally breaking a piece while I'm trying to get it open. I'll figure it out. How am I supposed to do this? I'll put this on it.
Oh, no, this goes inside.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I think that's just the stand by itself.
Oh, okay.
It's got the Mandalorian symbol on the sign, or on the stand.
That's cool.
Let's see.
Where does this go, Dad?
Hang on, we'll get to that.
After you finish doing that.
This one is really tight. There we go. My cans.
Can I put these pieces on?
Well, I don't know how those pieces go yet. I think they go together like this. So you can do that. Got some missiles.
Did it. I wonder where this goes.
Alright, let's see.
Probably does go somewhere inside the thing, though.
Bombs. Go down here. Paint is really nice.
Yeah. That's so...
You see another missile? There we go. So for the stand, it's really simple.
Whoa. That's so cool.
That is really cool.
Where do you think
Wow.
I put this?
This goes in the cargo hold. Which
Can I put it in there?
pull this out.
Can I slide it in?
Hold on. Come around to the other side. It goes right there.
There we go.
And then I'm gonna open.
Oh, it fell out.
Yeah, I see that. Let's see.
Here. How do I? Oh, I think it goes in this way.
Han Solo and Carbonite seems to be the exact same one from the Black Series and the Vintage Collection. Paint is a little different than it was on the Black Series version.
I got it.
It looks like it has the spot in the back where they used the magnet for the Vintage.
Can I see? Oh, that's cool. Right there.
Let's see. Oops. And Han goes in the back here.
Wow.
That is a little tight. There we go. Now,
That's so cool.
put this back on the stand. Turn the wings. And the cockpit moves up and down.
That is so cool.
Of course, you got your spring-loaded missiles, the bombs that drop by pressing the buttons on the side.
That's so cool.
Now let's get a figure to put in. But
Oh. Oh.
he definitely is not the coolest Mandalorian we have. So maybe we'll trade him out real quick. Yeah, I know, it's not the Razor Crest. Hopefully one day.
It's still cool, Dad. Or at least I think it's still cool.
Alright, the Han is definitely different in paint only. There's the Han that came with it. He's got a darker gray trim around it. Whereas this is the Black Series version, which is a little lighter. It might be a little hard to see with the lights on, but in person it's drastically different in color. Also, it's got the spot where the magnet was used for the Vintage Collection version, where the Black Series does not. There's lots of pegs inside for figures to stand. For now, I'll use this fit till Hasbro makes a better one, which they really need to. There's a couple of 5 points of articulation fets that look a little better, especially in the helmet. The helmet's too small on the Vintage Collection. Particularly from the Last Jedi line. There's a 2-pack with Han Solo. That one looks fantastic. But all in all, this is great. Again, I never opened up the other one, the old one from Amazon. So I can't compare how the paint is to it, but I'm very impressed with how it looks now. I'll upload some pictures as well. All right, enjoy.